morning, my subscribers. You're welcome to another video tutorial for today. Today I'm going to teach you how to get a free domain from different platforms. I'm going to teach you two ways to get a free domain and the platform to get a free domain for your website. Sometimes people try to have, they don't have money for their business. People try to build a business from scratch and they don't know how to do it, and there's no finances for them to do it. There's no money for them to do it. So today I'm going to show you how to get yourself a free domain as a beginner, someone that doesn't have money to buy a domain for himself. You buy domain.com, .net, and so on and so forth. So today I'm going to show you the few platforms, yes, that I know can work for you well to get a free domain. The first platform you can use to have a free domain for your website, if you are using subdomain, the subdomain example is that if you are using subdomain, the subdomain will carry a name in between your name. Instead of, for example, peacemarkconcept.com, but the subdomain will carry peacemarkconcept.blogspot.com or peacemarkconcept.wordpress.com. So that means it's carrying a subdomain because they are domain providers and you are under their control. It's not completely your own domain. So there's a way you can get a free domain without WordPress or Blogspot or any other domain provider's name in between your name. So I'm going to show you. Yes, I'm going to tell you the way you can get a free domain. Yes, the first example of a domain providers that I'm going to show you that give domain for free is freedomaining.com. freedomaining.com. In freedomaining.com, they provide free access to .com, .net, and whatever domain you want, you can get it from them. So there are few steps that you can take. You register with free domain, you register your name, you register your email. After you register as a new user, you finish registering, then you choose or search for your domain name. When you search for your domain name and it's available, then you get it and send it to cart, and you can use. Let me put this straight. If you use any other method of checkout, you may not get what you want, but you use PayPal to get what you want, because even though you do use PayPal, you will not pay anything. So just use PayPal, and at the end it's free. So when you use that, you can get free domain. You check out and you see your domain and wait for approval. When they approve your domain for you, then the next step is to integrate your domain in wherever platform you have. Then the second one is Freenom. Freenom is a platform that gives free domain for beginners. Domain name for beginners. So Freenom gives you ability to have free domain name that you can integrate in WordPress, in Blogspot, in whatever platform that you want. You integrate it. So in Freenom, you register Freenom in with your name, email, and whatever. After registering it, then you search for your domain name. But the free domain name the Freenom has is .tk, .ml, .ga, and so on and so forth. So you can search it. After you search it, then you click checkout, and they will confirm you, and after then integrate your domain in your website. So by doing that, you will have a free domain to start your blogging for free. And the free domain in Freenome, you have to select. There are different options for 1 year, for 3 months, for 4 months, but if you want it to last, you can do it for 1 year so that it will last for you and you do whatever thing you want. So in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate more domains and other platforms that you can use to get domains, to get things done. So join me in another video. I will teach you how to get things done and how to make money online.